In this video we are going to discuss about assemble of machineries. So the assemble drawing of machineries is shown in this figure. So according to that we are going to assemble. First we are going to bring back the body part, then we are going to fix the mobile jaw, and then fixing the jaw grip over here. After that to fix the screws, then attach the screw spindle, then bottom clamping plate and screw has to be attached over there. So like this we are going to do the assembling of the machine wise. Okay, so these are all the machine parts. So already the machine parts has created. So once again I will tell you, go to the assemble. After going to the assembly, here I am going to select from the particular file. So I am stored over in the desktop. So go to here machine wise, I am going to bring the body part first. So after bringing the body part, then second above the body part I am going to keep the above the body part I am going to keep the mobile jaw. So mobile jaw is here. So then after that select the assemble. So from this surface and back of this one mobile jaw. So this is the surface has to be made over there. So it having certain distance. So why? Because of it can able to move from this end to the here. Okay, so that I'm going to keep certain distance from there to here. So some 10 or 20 mm, or otherwise if you want to keep the same area we will keep it, it's not an issue. Okay, so we will keep some 20 mm distance. Okay, so going to give 20. Then after that this axial alignment from this as well as this one. So it has to be assembled over here. Then we are going to make the another one. So that is the jaw grip. Select jaw grip, bring over here the jaw grip. So select the the surface from here as well as the backside surface and give flip, and this surface above that, this is the bottom surface of this one has to be fixed over here. So bottom, so actually this is the surface has to be fixed over here, because those length from here to here it will be minimum, so that one only it has to be fixed. So this I am going to place over here in the opposite direction plate. Okay, then after keeping this, going to give assemble again of this surface and this one. So it has to be assembled over here. Then same like the jaw grip has to be fixed over in the mobile jaw. Select assemble. So assemble over here, rotate, and in this surface, so back side. So the back side has to be fixed over there. Okay. So now I'm going to rotate. So I have to give flip or not. So we'll check it and flip. And in this position is correct. So after this go to rotate, and almost this is a correct position because of from here to here the less length. So assemble. So again the same principle what we have done in the before, the same thing we have to apply over here. So this is the surface. Above that, this bottom of this mobile jaw has to be placed over here. Then from here and this has to be arranged over here. Okay, so after arranging this, then screws we are going to fix over here. Select screw M6. So I think the 4 screws it required. So this tapered position or inside axial alignment. So this one, and next rotate. So this surface and head of the screw. Head of the screw. So almost it has to be fixed over there. Same like here also. Even now I am going to select this tapered surface. So even here the tapered. So it has to be hidden. So I'm going to give this one. So it will be goes inside, and now going to select this particular surface and rotate. So it will be gone inside, so that we could not able to select means, so we can delete and try to give the other one. So select assemble this as well as these surfaces. After that we can give the axial alignment. Okay, so then it has to be assembled over here. Then comes into the other side. Select assemble from here and top, and either inside or the tapered surface. This as well as this one. So like this you can select and you can assemble. So from this surface, then top, as well as even in the tapered one, here the one. So like this way we have to assemble the this screws as well as the movable jaw. Okay, so it is to be aligned properly. Then after that we have to bring back the so what are all the components has to be assembled: body, movable jaw, jaw width, and screw M6. So still how many things are there? Again 5 I think. Clamping plate, lock nut, move nut, as well as screw rod, washer. So first I am going to bring the screw rod. Before bringing the screw rod, washer has to be placed over here. So why? Because of, if you see the assembled drawing, you might be know. So this is the this washer. Okay, so first the screw rod it is coming over in this side, then this one it is coming over this side. Okay, opposite side. So first I am going to select assemble. So this one as, and which one, the screw rod axial alignment I selected. So opposite side it comes flip. So because like same manner it has to go. Then give rotate over here, select from this particular surface. In this surface fit. So which one it has to be assembled over means this is the surface has to be go and made with that. Okay, so then select assemble again. So this surface the washer surface has to be placed, and inside this the circular has to be arranged over here. Like this way it has to be arranged. After arranging this, we have to bring back the nut and lock nut. So first is the 8 mm because that is the having the more depth, so that I am going to bring it. So go over here, nut. I think nut is having the more depth, so that is I am going to bring. So from this surface, this has to be placed over there. Then going to check flip. Okay, it is away. So then the inside one, even the axial alignment. Next, the last, the lock nut I am going to bring. So in the lock nut, select assemble. Even here the axial alignment. Then because of the plane it will be intersecting over there, so we could not able to select the surfaces. So I'm going to rotate, zoom the particular area, and I'm going to select the rotate. So because this plane is intersecting over there, so the surface it's not selecting properly over there. So symbol, so this is the surface, and rotate, fit. So once again I'm going to give rotate and zoom. This is the surface, so it has to be fixed the particular area. Then I'm going to rotate and see, so almost it is fixed over there. So then going to rotate over in the bottom one. So because here I'm going to place the clamping plate, so select the clamping plate over here. So assemble, so from exactly over here, so this is the surface has to be assembled. I'm going to give flip, not flip, and along with the axis this, and even this also you can select, and again this one. So I'm going to zoom over here, this surface and this. So like this, if you can give, the assembling has to be done over here. So after these things, the remaining thing is the screw I'm going to place over there. So the same screw, M6, select, assemble from top of this one has to be placed, and this one, this has to be placed. Again screw M6, assemble, so from top this has to be placed, and in this one this has to be placed. So like this way we are going to make the assembling over the this one. The next thing is that this has to be saved over here, so I'm going to rotate. Okay, so almost everything is over. So go to here, save as. So after save as only the create drawing has to be worked. I am going to save as in the as per this file, assemble, and going to convert into the 2D view. For converting 2D view, go to the create drawing, give OK. After giving the OK, then give next, go to the front, check the front view is correct. Yeah, absolutely this will be the correct, because of we started from the front plane, so that here this also it comes as a exact manner. That is the thing you have to do. So then top view and isometric view, and give finish. I am going to keep over here. So then whenever you require the side view you can select over there. Sheet setup, go to the A4 size sheet and click show background off, goes over there. Then I am going to accommodate inside the drawing, inside the sheets, and this is somewhere here. I am going to keep over here. Then I am going to give fit. So after keeping the fit, so then the suppose in the question they are asking as a half sectional front view means what to do. We are going to make this full sectional front view means we are going to make the cutting plane over in the top view. Suppose sectional top view they are asking, we are going to make the cutting plane in the front view. Okay, Now they are asking a sectional front view, so that I'm going to make the cutting plane over in the top view. So from in here, starting from the middle, so I'm going to make a straight line. Okay, so now the thing is finish off. Either it will be asking that side or this side, this side. So I'm going to select the section plane. So this is the thing I'm going to place, move over here. Okay, the section plane has to be created over here. So like this way the sectioning has to be done over here. So selecting here the section view, select the cutting plane. So cutting plane already it is selected, so that it has to move over and place over in the front view. Or otherwise you can place the that sectional view on somewhere here, the top view you can delete it, it's not an issue. Like this also you can do it. Okay, this is the way to do the 2D view. Then one more thing, this has to be select and click on over here the solid option, then come over here, right click, update the view. So this is the 3D view so created. So in the final sheet we have to give the both 3D view as well as the 2D views. Okay, so this is the thing you have to remember for to draw the to making the 2D, converting the 2D views. Okay, and one more thing, this is the front view and the top view you have to make into the sketchbook sketch sheet. So without dimension this you can draw it. So this drawing has to be memorized, and then you have to draw the front, whatever things they are asking in a question you have to make it. Okay, so with that the machine is assembled drawing is get to over.